This is integration question 0 to 4 mod x minus 1 dx. Okay, now we can write it as 0 to 1, and in limit 0 to 1 this will be minus x minus 1, and now 1 to 4, and for 1 to 4 mod x minus 1 will be x minus 1 dx. Okay, now 0 to 1 x minus 1 dx, and this is 1 to 4 x minus 1 dx. Now integration of x minus 1 x square by 2 minus integration of 1 is x 0 to 1, and this is integration here x square by 2 minus x 1 by 4 1 to 4, applying limit 1 by 2 minus 1. Okay, lower limit will be, and similarly here upper limit 16 by 2 minus 4, and here lower limit 1 by 2 minus 1. Okay, so that this is minus 1 by 2 minus 1 minus half, plus this is 8 minus 4, and minus it is minus half. It is plus half plus 4 plus 1 by 2, and 1 by 2 plus 4 to the 8 plus 1 by 2, taking LCM 1 by 2 plus 9 by 2, and 2 is LCM 1 plus 9. This is 10 by 2 equal to 5 is the answer. Thank you very much.